Are you puzzled by those complex sectional maps? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, focus on the legend. It's your map's dictionary explaining all the symbols. Start by familiarizing yourself with it. Next, understand the airspace classes. Class B, C, D, and E have unique shapes and markings. Know these differences to quickly identify them on the map. Pay attention to the grid lines. They represent latitude and longitude, helping you pinpoint locations accurately. Use them to measure distances too. Another tip, look for airport symbols. They give you crucial information about controlled and uncontrolled airspaces. Airports are key landmarks. Finally, practice. Use past exam maps to quiz yourself. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be. Remember, sectional maps may seem tough, but with these tips, you'll navigate them like a pro. Happy flying! And good luck with your FAA 107 exam.